Welcome to Supercheap Auto Trade. Today we're taking you through everything you need to know before you apply for 30-day credit. 30-day credit gives approved trade customers the flexibility to buy now and pay later on purchases made online or in store. They're even interest-free for the 30 days. It's perfect for businesses wanting smoother cash flow, consolidated billing, one monthly statement instead of multiple receipts, and easier account management across their operations. Before you start your application, here's a quick checklist to make sure you're eligible. You must have a valid ABN or ACN, and you need to be a tax resident of Australia, meaning you're based, registered, and operating within Australia. The application is quick, but you'll want to have a few details handy to complete the form smoothly. Your business's ABN and/or ACN, details of the director, public officer, or owner, including date of birth and residential address. Accounts payable contact details, such as the email address you want statements sent to, and contact details for 3 business references. Once you're ready, simply head to the 30-day credit page and click Apply Now. From there, just fill in each section of the online form and submit your application. After you submit your application, it will be automatically emailed to your authorised signatory. They'll receive a link where they can review and sign the application electronically. Once everything's signed, your application will be processed and we'll be in touch within 10 business days with the outcome. And that's it. Applying for 30-day credit is simple, fast, and gives your business flexibility when you need it. Apply now and take advantage of the benefits that make managing your workshop or business smoother than ever.